So you're on the keto diet and you're not sure which is the healthiest keto cooking oil. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the worst oils on the keto diet and surprisingly, the healthiest one on the list. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a shocker to most people. What's up, everybody? My name is Azadi. I am a certified functional health practitioner, best-selling author, and I am on a mission to help 1 billion people on planet Earth. Today's video, I'm going to show you the healthiest keto cooking oil, and it's going to be very surprising to you. There was a study done on the 10 most popular cooking oils. Canola oil was tested, which is also called rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, extra virgin olive oil, peanut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, rice bran oil, coconut oil, and also virgin olive oil. Now, these 10 oils were tested. This study showed the worst on this list and the healthiest one on this list. Can you guess what's the worst on this list and the healthiest? Now, each oil was put to the test with 2 different heating temperatures. Then the oils were stored in a cooled room and then analyzed. Something that's very important to establish here is that, yes, they did test for the smoke point, and you might have heard of smoke point as a way of seeing how healthy an oil is. Contrary to popular belief, smoke point is a poor way to assess how healthy an oil is. Smoke point indicates the breakdown of that oil and the production of toxic byproducts that are created after it starts smoking. For this reason, smoke point has been the gold standard for assessing how healthy an oil is. If you do a quick search on Dr. Google, pretty much every article you come across is going to show you the smoke point in relevance to how healthy that oil is. Even myself, that's the way I used to assess how healthy an oil was. Turns out we were wrong this entire time, and this video is going to break it down for you. So yay for science. Because in this study, some of the oils that are the worst ones out there actually had the highest smoke points. What is the most important factor when assessing how healthy an oil is? It's something called polar compounds. When we are assessing how healthy an oil is, we want an oil that produces the least amounts of these harmful polar compounds. Polar compounds are produced when these oils are broken down under heat. These toxic byproducts start to occur, lipid peroxide and aldehydes. These are both produced, which are both linked to serious disease. Now, the list that I'm going to show you right now are the worst offenders that produce the most amounts of these polar compounds that are creating destruction within our body and our cells. So I'm going to show you the worst ones first, and then I'm going to reveal to you the shocking number 1 healthiest keto cooking oil that you probably didn't know. Ready for the worst? Okay, these are the top 3 worst offenders. Seed oils were the least stable, and they produced the most amount of these harmful polar compounds. And the worst of the worst? Canola oil, also called rapeseed oil. Canola oil showed to increase rapid amounts of these polar compounds, a 27.5% increase in this, which far exceeds the limits permitted for safe human consumption. This is dangerous. This is creating massive disruption to our cells. All of these oils right here, these are the ones we want to avoid. In fact, I call these vegetable oils, these industrial seed oils, liquid poison. They are so dangerous to our health that I would rather, if I had the choice between smoking a cigarette every single day or consuming cooked seed oils, I would smoke the cigarette because these are creating disruption within our cells. In fact, a study showed that 1 plate of French fries that was fried in canola oil resulted in 5 months of cellular dysfunction. Okay, so that's 5 minutes of pleasure for 5 months of cellular dysfunction. So I encourage you, go to your pantry, pause this video, and go to your pantry, and if you have any of these oils, throw them out, educate your community about it, educate your family, and switch them for the best one out there, which I'm going to reveal to you in a second. Without further ado, it's time for me to share with you the healthiest oil that you can use to cook with, to use for dressings, however you want, on the keto diet. Here's the winner. chicken keto dinner, extra virgin olive oil. Look, I know. I used to say it myself. Don't cook with olive oil. It goes rancid too quickly. Use it for dressings. Use other oils for cooking. Well, it turns out I was wrong, and most people were wrong who were preaching that, because this study actually showed extra virgin olive oil produced the least amount of these polar compounds. The study showed this is the most stable oil even at high temperatures. Why? Because olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, is loaded with polyphenols and antioxidants, which protects the oil. There's so much research out there about the benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Studies show it could extend life by 9 years. Studies show it creates new brain cells via a process called neurogenesis. There are many benefits to it, and now you can add cooking to the benefits of olive oil because you're actually getting more antioxidants and less oxidation when you use extra virgin olive oil. There is a consideration here. Most of the olive oil out there is crap. The ones you find at your grocery store on the shelf, first of all, it has probably been on that shelf for weeks and even months, and it goes rancid quickly with the light if it's a cheap quality olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is different than olive oil and virgin olive oil. And I don't know if you knew this, but an olive oil can be sold as 100% olive oil and only contain 80% of olive oil, and the other 20% could come from those damaging seed oils. It's only required for them to have 80% of olive oil in order for them to say it's 100% olive oil. It's messed up. You want to make sure you are doing your due diligence with the olive oil you are consuming. That is why the only olive oil that I consume comes from the Fresh Olive Oil Club that I get delivered to me every single day. And what makes them different from the stuff you buy at your supermarket, including Whole Foods, is that they pick these olives when they are at peak. And they get them from these artisanal farms and have them shipped to you right away. Every oil is lab tested and certified to be 100% real extra virgin olive oil. This means you never have to worry about a blend. You never have to worry about rancid olive oil that's usually on the shelf at your grocery store. Here's an easy test for you to know how good your olive oil is. When you consume it, maybe you put it in a spoon and you just have it raw. If it makes your tongue a little fuzzy and it burns your throat, that's a good sign. If it makes you cough, even better. That means it is rich in polyphenols and antioxidant, and it is a high quality olive oil. Instead, if you have your olive oil and it goes down smooth, no burning, that's a red flag that it's a cheap olive oil. So I only get my olive oil delivered from the Fresh Olive Oil Club. I put a link down below if you want to also get your olive oil delivered from them. Tastes delicious. They're picked at peak, and I love them. Runner up for the healthiest keto cooking oil was coconut oil. Coconut oil was on par with extra virgin olive oil. The only difference is that extra virgin olive oil has much more antioxidants. Data from this study showed that coconut oil had the highest oxidative stability because of its high content of saturated fat. So I like coconut oil. I like extra virgin olive oil, and I also like avocado oil. So it's all about rotating these oils. When it comes to your food and your supplements and nature, it's all about rotation. So maybe 1 month you have extra virgin olive oil, and then you throw in some coconut oil, and then you throw in some avocado oil, and you rotate it back and forth. The goal is to have these healthy oils, stay away from those industrial seed oils, and you're going to be much healthier because of it. So in summary, it's clear that extra virgin olive oil is the healthiest cooking oil available to us. We also understand that only assessing the smoke point is a poor way to assess how healthy an oil is. We want to also look at the polar compounds that are produced. So go out there, get yourself these healthy oils, and your body will thank you for it. You'll get better keto results because of it. So if this video was helpful for you, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, every week I'm releasing at least 2 videos for you. I'm giving you the cutting edge research on intermittent fasting, the keto diet, and health and longevity. Subscribe, hit the bell, and I thank you for spending part of your day with me. I'll see you soon. Oh, there you are. I forgot to tell you. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified when I release new videos. Look, I am dedicated to bringing you fresh videos every single week. You're gonna get 2 videos from me at the very least. So hit that subscribe button, You'll get this amazing content when it comes to keto, when it comes to fasting, when it comes to upgrading your health. Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna say it 3 more times. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you soon.